करेगा मैं. We good? ठीक है, ये मेरा क्विक था ना. थैंक यू. ओके सर, आइए. So now we'll take your questions. Where are we getting the first question from? But you have a mic on you? Okay, please. पूछिए.
Hello. Hi everyone. Firstly, thank you so much for this amazing story that you are bringing to us. This is Akash Bhatnagar. I'm from HT City. I have two-part questions. First, Akshay sir, Karan sir abhi said that there has been no apology since the event happened. And recently I saw a video of General Dyer's granddaughter where she was conversing with one of the victims' family, and she referred to them as looters. Have you seen that, firstly, the video? And if you have, like, how do you think is that justified for on their part to kind of use those kind of terms? Because they are saying that history is history.
Yes, to answer your question, I have seen that video. I want to tell you that not just as an Indian, not just as a humanitarian, but just as anyone who has even an iota of empathy or an iota of humanity within yourself, it will anger you. I don't want to mince my words. I don't want to be diplomatic in my answer. And I certainly don't want to beat around the bush when I say, how ridiculous was she to say that? And how dare she? She was calling those thousands of people looters. They were innocent people who conglomerated there, right there, on that was what was meant to be an auspicious day of Baisakhi, thinking something else was going to be the eventuality of the day, and look what happened. By admission, General Dyer has said that he only stopped shooting when the bullets ran out. And she went on in that interview to say that he loved India and all kinds of things, and how that he had the greatest compassion. What love can you have in your heart when your actions only spoke of hate? And the fact that she is living in a la-la land of her own and is in some delusion of her own, and I don't know her, haven't met her, and I don't wish to meet her. But the fact that she even said those things just makes me so angry on a humanitarian level. खून खौलता है जब मैंने वो वीडियो देखा कि the fact that she had such disdain for one of the biggest genocides in the history of our nation and the history of the world, and the fact that she was so disdainful of it made me just angry, made me want and demand an apology even more.
I think we all deserve. Akshay sir, you have had a long-standing association with social and political films, and while you have been the receiving end of criticism for that as well, but you have continued to do so. What is the driving force behind it? And does it? I'm sure you are used to the online trolls or like people who are just sitting behind the screen, kind of criticizing you for those choices. But when that kind of criticism comes from within the industry, does that hurt?
क्रिटिसाइजिंग मुझे नहीं लगता है किसी ने क्रिटिसाइज किया है वो फिल्मों को. कोई बेवकूफ़ी होगा जो क्रिटिसाइज करेगा. जैसे फिल्म बनाई है मैंने, पैडमैन बनाई है, आप ही बता दीजिए. जैसे टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा है, एयरलिफ्ट है, केसरी 1 बनाई थी, केसरी 2 है, ऐसी बहुत सारी फिल्में हैं. तो कोई बेवकूफ़ी होगा जो इस फिल्मों को क्रिटिसाइज करेगा. मैंने अपने दिल से बनाई है, और एक फ़िल्म है जो कि लोगों को बहुत सारी चीज़ें बताती है, समझाती है. कोई भी फिल्म हो. तो मुझे नहीं लगता किसी ने क्रिटिसाइज़ किया है.
So recently, Jaya Bachchan ma'am has said that because of the toilet name, she has said that I will not watch that film.
अब अगर उन्होंने कहा है तो फिर सही होगा, मुझे नहीं पता।
Okay.
अगर टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा एक ऐसी फिल्म बना के मैंने कोई गलत काम किया है तो फिर अगर वो कह रही हैं तो सही होगा।
Okay. And I just wanted to get your reaction also on the video that Karan has just responded to.
देखिए, one nation's trauma is other nation's lesson. That is what she never understood. That's why she keeps on saying history है, history भूल जाओ, खत्म हो गई. I don't think so. She has understood the lesson also, what has gone through it. As what Karan has said, it's absolutely, I appreciate it, and the way he said it also is absolutely right. And you will see that whole thing, the anger, by the time the film comes to the climax, you will understand how much anger there was. And I would rather say that you watch the film to see the anger.
Thank you so much, sir. And thank you for bringing this story.
अक्षय सर और पूर्वा सर, मेरा क्वेश्चन आप दोनों से। सबसे पहले अक्षय सर मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी, आज की सोशल मीडिया जनरेशन और उस समय की जो युवा पीढ़ी है, दोनों में आपको क्या फ़र्क लगता है जब बात देशभक्ति की आती है?
सॉरी, वापस बोलना, क्या कह रहे हैं?
इस समय की जो सोशल मीडिया जनरेशन है, फॉर एग्जांपल हम जैसे जेनजी जनरेशन कहते हैं, और उस समय की जो युवा पीढ़ी थी, आपको इन दोनों में क्या फ़र्क लगता है जब बात देशभक्ति की आती है?
उस वक्त जो जितना, बिकॉज जैसे अनन्या ने कहा कि फ्रीडम, उसका वैल्यू उन्हें ज़्यादा थी, हमें इतनी नहीं है। आहिस्ते आहिस्ते वो चीज़ बढ़ रही है इस युवा के अंदर, इस पीढ़ी के अंदर बढ़ रही है। जैसे जैसे मैं देखता हूँ, कभी कभी मेरे सोशल मीडिया के फीड पे बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें आ जाती हैं जो देशभक्ति के काफ़ी चीज़ें दिखती हैं। लेकिन उस वक्त जो था, उस वक्त इफ़ आई वुड से 10 out of 10 था। लोग जो जितनी परसेंटेज लोगों के अंदर वो था कि हमें किसी भी हालत में, हमें कैसे भी करके फ्रीडम हासिल करनी है। तो उस टाइम वैल्यू फ्रीडम की बहुत थी। अब आहिस्ते आहिस्ते बढ़ती जा रही है, लोग समझना चाहते हैं, देखना चाहते हैं कि क्या हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है। That's it.
अगर आपको लगता है कि जनरल डायर जैसा फिर से कोई अन्याय अगर हो तो आजकल की युवा पीढ़ी उसका प्रतिरोध कर पाएगी जैसे पहले किया गया था?
उससे भी बुरा करेगी। वो तो वहाँ तक, उस वक्त तो फिर भी हमारे हाथ में कुछ नहीं था। इस वक्त तो हमारे साथ सामने, और हमारे देश के कोर्ट्स हैं, पुलिस हैं, आर्मी हैं, तो वो जो वो करेगी, हालत वो देखने लायक भी नहीं होगा।
थैंक यू सर।
Hi Akshay sir.
अपूर्वा सर, मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे भी है दूसरा।
Yes.
आफ्टर ब्लॉकबस्टर्स लाइक केसरी, गुड न्यूज़, आप फिर से अक्षय सर के साथ आ रहे हैं, तो ऐसी कौन सी बात है, कौन सी चीज़ है जो आपको अक्षय सर तक खींचकर ही ला देती
आप सेल्फी भूल गए।
है? सर सेल्फी।
1 out of 3 is not bad. So I think over the years you've really built a very strong working relationship with Akshay sir. You know, because of based on trust and a creative alignment. I think anybody who knows Akshay sir and anybody who's worked with him will echo that. You know, he's extremely professional, hardworking. He's a very creatively involved actor, and he makes the entire shoot such a pleasurable experience. He is as an individual and as an actor, he is so connected with all demographics, with all age groups, and very honestly spoken. You know, Kesari 2 has only been possible because of Akshay. So thank you, sir, and we hope to do many more Kesaris with him and many more other films also with him.
Hi Akshay sir, over here towards your left. Sir, over here, left. Extreme left. Yeah. Sir, how are you, sir?
Hi Himesh, how are you? बोलो।
Sir, my question to you is, when we speak of apology, recently Mr. Bob Blackman, I think, has appealed to the British government to apologize for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. How do you view the fact that people are finally waking up after over 100 years to this incident? And of course, I know British deserves to apologize to India. So what do you have to say about that?
I think lots of things will change. I'm not here with a begging bowl to say they should say sorry. But I want them to at least watch this movie and realize the mistake. Baki, the next other things will flow automatically from their mouth. Because it is bound, the apology is bound to happen. It will flow on its own. But I just want them to watch this film. That is what. I want the British government to watch the film. I want King Charles to watch the film. Then they should see it, what happened. I'm not saying, but the rest will follow automatically.
Let's hope the film leaves an impact. And Karan sir, my question to you is, how do you plan? What are your plans for release of Kesari? Because you know films like this require a specific release strategy. So what's your strategy for bringing Kesari on the big screen?
I think that this is actually the beginning of our distribution arm as Dharma Distribution's first Hindi film will start. And I think that there can't be a better beginning. Of course, we realize we're cognizant of the times and we know. But you know, I have a feeling that when a film is this powerful and has this kind of intensity and this kind of communication to an audience, we keep putting films into boxes. ये multiplex की film है, ये single film की picture है, ये tier 1 की film है, tier 2. हम सब सोचते हैं कि हम सब समझते हैं और हम सब जानते हैं. Analysts बहुत हैं, communicate करने वाले बहुत हैं, social media में सबकी opinions हैं, and I respect them all because it's a democratic nation. But I want to say, किसी को कुछ पता नहीं कि उस Friday पे क्या होगा. Only an audience will decide. Audience ही राजा और audience ही मालिक और audience ही सब कुछ. तो हम जितने भी strategy बना ले, वो Friday सब कुछ बदल सकता है. And I'm quite sure ये Friday सब कुछ बदलेगा.
Hello.